What's up, guys? Wanted to do just kind of a live video, talk about some VBAY items. So, but I'm gonna wait just a second to get some people on here just so that you guys can see it. A lot of these don't pay attention to the SKU, that's just our internal stuff, but just wanted to talk about a lot of these items, and also for those of you that don't know what VBAY is. So VBAY is like Viper's eBay. We created a auction system that is hosted by viperscalracing.com. Right there on the front of our website, you can click on the shop button and a drop down. It's the second tab there. It says VBAY. But every week, we were doing stuff Sundays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays, but now we just have everything end at 6:30 Mountain Time on Sundays. That way everybody for the most part is home. But I just want to talk kind of and show you guys kind of stuff that is on there. Usually it is stuff either that I have accumulated over the years, stuff that's been traded in, random stuff. I mean, I've been doing this for a long time and have quite a bit of stuff, but I do have, here's an example, some wide sponge tires. So those are ending this week. I don't know what the bid's at right now, but everything is really, really great deals because we don't have the traffic that eBay has. But we also have, these are some Slotcars Unlimited tires made by Tony. You know, these were stuff that he used. They're aluminum rims. They have set screws for the limiters on the sides, and then also a set screw for the axle. They're rock hard. They're really just for Neo and Unlimited. Let's see, got custom armature. This one, let's see what this one is here. This is for a V1 drag car, 5 foot of 34, so that's going to be a smidge over 1 ohm. But I mean, a lot of times I've seen those sell for 17 bucks on there. Some more sponge. Here's a bunch, a huge bag, takeoffs, all brand new AFX Mega G Plus wheels and tires. We have, this is what we're calling an Outlaw V3 gravity car. So it has sponge tires, a couple of other things. Has a custom body, but like on this one, you can see how big the back is cut out. That didn't pass for our regular production stuff. So like, throw it into VBAY, see what happens. This is another kind of a cool thing here. So this is a Mega G Plus, brand new, but it has a dash body on it. Obviously the wheels and stuff don't go the best with this, but you know, you might be able to pick this thing up for 20 bucks where else are you gonna find that, you know? A bunch of silver plated Gen 2 Viper in-bells, a bunch of raw or just standard size independent front tires. These need to all be ground, but I mean, this is a bag of, I think, 50 pieces, and probably go for, I don't know, 15 bucks or so. Tomy SRT, real nice. This thing actually is, when I was looking at it, it's almost brand new. It does have Viper rear end setup on it just because it was lacking that. Sponge or silicone tire lot, bunch of different sizes. They're not all mixed up though, so they are sorted by color. So if you do get this, just sorted by color. We got, let's see, some more in-bell lot. Another custom arm. I think this is a 35 gauge. Some more Unlimited tires. Those are red ones. Super G Plus. This is, you might have seen this car make an appearance on our site earlier this week, named Harry. So it's got hair on there. No charge for the hair, guys. No charge. Double flange rim, kind of a mixture of new and used. Some 2.7 ohm can motors. So that's something, you know, we've got a couple lots worth of those. Got a dash, I think it's a Gen 2 is what it's called, T-dash, and a dash Mondo. So we made some content with those cars, and don't really have anywhere for them to go, so figured I'd put them on there. But that's all stuff It's on this week. There's almost 20, maybe 21 items. Sometimes there's only 10 items, but this week there is 20. And, you know, again, if you're just tuning in, Viper VBAY, so it's an auction site, or it's an auction type listing that's on the viperscalracing.com site. And you can jump on there, place bids. If you win multiple items and they don't all show up in your cart, just shoot us an email, let us know. I talked with the gentleman earlier today, and he expressed his dislike for that. Hey, I totally feel it. We're still working through that. There is a lot of barriers for us between what we can do on the auction stuff and what we can't do, and a lot of that is just to prevent any kind of I guess foul play that you would have there. So there is a lot of protection there, but there's also a lot of limits for as far as what we can do, what we can change. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. It's 6:05. I got to get out of here. And if you guys have any questions about VBAY, shoot us an email. I don't always check all the messages on these videos, but if you shoot us an email, it absolutely goes through our system. That email is support@viperscalracing.com. And hopefully you guys have a great night. Have fun with your slot cars. Remember, just when the weather gets nice doesn't mean you have to stop and put away your slot cars. You can still play with them. It's okay, guys. It's okay to play with slot cars all year, okay? All right, see you later.